आकाशवाणी ईटानगर चा बृहस्पतिवार बिली न अप्रैल dia hajat kini yauk kini bili yang aman na jembangrok bangacu ngai jentu munyak. Rusia, China, India, Kyrgyz Republic, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Iran se Pakistan country ya Shanghai Cooperation Organization min mija Kazakhstan country na ngong tithuna. Terrorist organization don Lashkar-e-Taiba, Al-Qaeda, Jaish-e-Mohammed se ISIS yateku ngunsijeng kote ledang ana khawa adang jawnga mijawa Shanghai Cooperation Organization ngongthin yachu kagamma red labhelera. Yak terrorist khonyak sene se ngunsijeng kot ledang ana action ya kachukma kapku Indianwa ngongthin kalutka National Security Advisor Ajit Dowali nya mijawa ngongthin yachu yaman khapshet tabo. Election government kamshomte duty lakathakan yatei postal ballot ma vote ya kangen thu yama hen government kamshomte election duty takathakatei postal ballot ma tangen kithwa bula mama noksa hana wangkalya ba kangen thu yakret ya Election Commission of India shi cha kurlo lesche sambawaro leda yama hatung hawang ne lamdek thanawa red lakma ledangane ya nakathang singa yamanyap tabawa. Arunachal ne BJP shi hen candidate don election ne naktakliota chabakunga ngunma tabshong manga Arunachal Pradesh Congress Committee ne wa president nabam tuki yama mija tabawa. BJP development kuskam ya bekhang ya Congress candidate don ya kevyak ma ketete tejakanga nabum tuki keret dakchun na Chief Minister Pema Khandui yaman tejak senyak bo. West Kameng District na Dirang Assembly Constituency yachu Arunachal Pradesh General Observer Saijan R Yamija Hayop Polling Station yachu kalya lebkhingkhang taka. Election napku yok keshukma kethakma he yavu ya bekhingkhang takalya General Observer pa ya District nawa election official don hondakma tsakhorwa. Upper Siang District na hadang khonyak na election na wukthi pang na waro sakhi kwat ku mija district election officer hage lailangi begong le district headquarter yingkyong hana program tabhona. Hadang khonyak na waro sakhi kwat ku yak district khonyak mimvinte Everester Kishon Tekseng Upper Siang Idol Season 3 nawa winner Lovely Patuk se runner up Ogul Longkam yate yalbchon kora. Yate tuting yingkyong se Geku Marang constituency ne tipsi himwara. Alo hana Monyu Police Station yachu legal aid clinic nga mangshet office lesngeleda. Monyu khonyak se dekong khonyak lakma masisang pangne woroku lakana yachu kengen woroket. Yak legal aid clinic ya Arunachal Pradesh State Legal Services Authority shi se District Legal Services Authority shi tebgongchang honyanga. Yak bangap nap yachu Arunachal Pradesh State Legal Services Authority nawa member secretary Yomge Alonyap tonga. Tiang 2024 na DK Conventional Hall Itanagar yachu Mishnap Miss Arunachal Kilyoto yachu Lower Subansiri District nawa Tadu Lunya ya Hoinmama Sami ma Bijayla Miss Arunachal title takchora. First runner up ya Papumpare District nawa Anya Taba yama Longding District nawa Kimin Adam Wangsui second runner up takchua. Miss Arunachal Lunya Tadu i sociology degree baholya aman yang yok kini lakhanra. yen habli agni prime misalia mija Orissa hane strategic forces command se Defense Research and Development Organization shi Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Alem Mabastenla keshukma laspukle danga Defense Ministry shi Yaman tischet sambavoro. Ya kerorong ya becela Defense Minister pa Rajnath Singhi Strategic Forces Command se Defense Research and Development Organization na hondak matas khoro. Ja khobor ethan ithon